And here's the bullet, fired towards the target, and it's a hit. So, to make such a device, let's grab our cardboard, scale, pencil, and start making diagrams like this. To cut the structure properly, we need to measure each thing precisely. Okay, see? We've made these small pieces of cardboard like this. Now, let's attach our motor to it. With the help of a glue gun, we need to stick it well. We need to place two tires very close together, from which the bullets will come out. All right, let's attach the na pieces properly for aiming. Okay, so you can see how we've made this. To strengthen it a bit, let's work on it and shape it like a gun for a proper gun structure. Now, we need a trigger for the gun. All right, for the trigger, we've attached a switch. One battery will be enough to run both motors. Okay, get ready and be cautious, because we're about to take aim. And we loaded the bullet and fired it. What an amazing shot. This was really good, but still, let's not run it with tough objects, like nails or anything else that could cause harm to others. Let's fire the bullet into the sky. And as I looked up at the sky, I pulled the trigger. Wow, it went so far. So, why not make something like this and subscribe to our channel? See you in the next video. Bye-bye.